Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has officially announced today that you've got 90 days left if you are on Windows 11 24H2. So some of you are still there, have not moved to 25H2. And if you're not sure, you can go search and type WinVer, which is a Windows version, and you will see the version number appear on the window that is there. So 24H2 has 90 days left. That means that you have to move at some point to 25H2, which is an enablement package, so it's a very small update. Microsoft, of course, is pushing towards that. And the next operating system that will be there will be 26H2 this fall also at the same time. So we'll have an operating system that will be for 2 years with 26H2. Each version of Windows lasts 24 months. So if you go to 25H2, you'll have a year. Some of you might wait and just, go to 26H2. And there you will be okay for 2 years without having to move to another version of Windows 11. We're pretty sure that 27H2 is a thing, so that is something that will happen. But it's interesting to see that we're moving on, and we're already at 5 years of Windows 11, which is pretty crazy. Time just flies. It's interesting to see that Windows 10 users now will have an extra year of updates for free, so that moves you to October of 2027. I think next year a lot of things might happen. We'll see how it goes as we move on with the different Windows versions, and hopefully we'll have some Windows versions that will be more interesting maybe for users with all the changes coming up. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.